What made Southeast European medieval literature so varied? Imagine a region where stories are shaped by many different voices, each adding their own flavor. That's what makes Southeast European medieval literature so fascinating. It's like a patchwork quilt of stories, songs, and poems from many cultures. During the Middle Ages, this area was a crossroads where many civilizations met. The Slavs, Byzantines, Ottomans, and Western Europeans all left their mark. This mix of influences created a rich variety of stories and styles. For example, South Slavic epic poetry often told tales of heroes and battles, blending local legends with Christian and Byzantine themes. These stories weren't just entertainment. They helped communities remember their history and identity. Religion played a big role too. The region was home to Eastern Orthodox Christianity, Catholicism, and Islam. Religious texts like saints' lives and biblical stories were written in monasteries and spread across the land. But secular stories also flourished. Courtly love, chivalry, and political allegories appeared in poetry and stories, showing that literature served many purposes. The transition from oral storytelling to written texts was slow and uneven. Folk tales and epic poems were passed down orally, keeping cultural traditions alive among everyday people. Meanwhile, nobles and monks wrote theological works, hagiographies, and romances. This mix of oral and written traditions created a lively literary scene with many different genres. Linguistic diversity added to this richness. Old Church Slavonic was used in religious texts, while local South Slavic dialects appeared in folk poetry. Greek, Latin, and later Ottoman Turkish also influenced the region's writings. This multilingual environment helped develop distinct styles and eventually led to the rise of national literatures. Symbols and allegories were common in these stories too. They often drew from nature, religious icons, and folklore to deliver moral or spiritual messages. These symbols made stories more meaningful and relatable for local audiences. All these factors combined made Southeast European medieval literature so diverse. It reflected the region's complex history, cultural exchanges, and religious traditions. Monasteries and courts played key roles in copying manuscripts and creating new texts. This ongoing process kept the literary landscape vibrant and ever-changing. So, the variety in this literature wasn't accidental. It grew from the region's position at the crossroads of many worlds, blending influences into a colorful, multifaceted heritage that still captures our imagination today.